How to integrate Jira with Monday.com. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to integrate your favorite platform, Monday.com to Jira or the reverse. It is going to be the same process. So we are going to head over Monday.com and then we are going to connect our account and we are going to head over the home page. After that, what we're going to do is to click on the name of the account from here so we can go ahead and explore the app marketplace. We're going to click on it and then we are going to search on the marketplace something called Jira or the name Jira. Basically, we're going to find here the Jira integration by Monday and also the Jira for Monday.com integration. It is going to be up to you. Each one of the apps are going to be having something in the let's say here combination here, but the original one, which is going to be created by Monday, is going to be letting you setting up the project directly from Jira to Monday and vice versa. So you can go ahead and have here the real-time insight they need, whether they work primarily in Jira or Monday. So we have some, as you can see here, specificities or advantages that I'm going to read for you. Extensive fields and entities supported, like sprints, epics, persons, and more. Team managed projects, highly flexible syncing capabilities. Not only for admins, all Jira users can set up, as you can see, integration with a simple OAuth authentication. So it is going to be only for the viewing and also setting up the synchronization between the two files. So whenever you are going to have a product from Jira, you're going to connect it directly to Monday.com and it is going to put the updates. For example, if I have a board here that is going to be connected or it is created from Monday and I have connected this board to Jira, it is going to be synchronized. Whenever I do something like create an automation that maybe have the status from working on to done, it is going to be to the done project or done task. It is going to be notifying things and also setting up the same, as you know, linked project in there. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.